Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Guillermo Auto. I got a 2011 Hyundai Sonata side view mirror replacement. This is the right-hand side mirror. Pretty easy and fast. So my mirror's broken. The outer shell of it got cracked. I wanted it replaced, so I'm going to replace it. So what you want to do is come in here and take this black piece off. You have to use your hands or like a plastic pry bar. It's on there kind of tight, so you can just get it off. It's held in by these little things. And then this little pink connector. Pull your wire harness out of the door panel a little bit gently and undo it. There's a little white button you press to undo it like that, and you just push the button and then pull it out. It should come right out. And then we got these three 10mm nuts right here. These hold the mirror on, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these off. Careful not to drop them in the door panel. So once I get these off, I'm going to save these because I'm going to need them again. Set these aside. This will pull out. When you pull it out, be careful for this little black tab. It'll have kind of like a weather stripping attached to it, this tab right here. So just pull it out. Just be cautious of that, or aware of that. Now, we got my new one here. It's from Hyundai. Here's the part number. Again, this is for the right-hand side. It's with the electric. And if you don't know what the deal is with the electric one will have an electrical connector. And if your car has this button right here, you could electrically move your mirrors, then that you have electric. So again, this is from the dealer. It's not painted. You might be able to find them online that are painted. Anyway, so it came with the connector. We're just going to put it on just like how it came off. What I do is I put it in and I start a 10mm nut on it to hold it in place, and then I put my connector together, just plug it right back in. And big props to Hyundai for making this easy. A lot of manufacturers make this wire harness go in the door panel and you have to take the panel off. Anyway, so put your 10mm nuts on, and we'll get those tight. You want to get those pretty tight, not mega tight, just kind of snug and a quarter turn more. And then we're going to put our black connector or black piece back on. If this pink part comes off, if that came off, get it out of the door panel before you put it on. Get it out and then put it back in this. It goes in just like this. You just slide it right back in place. And then let's put this back on. It just pops in place. Just make sure it's on. And that's it, guys. So again, you have to get it painted somewhere. So